What's up guys? In this video what I'm going to do is basically I'm going to answer one of my subscribers in the community, one of my course subscribers. She is watching the course, she subscribed to the course. So yeah, basically she's asking me like she's not able to see a symbol in the MT5 and how does she solve this? Okay, to answer this question it is very simple guys. Look, check this out. If I press here this button, you will be able to see all the symbols that your broker is giving you. So in this case, for example, I can access crypto, I can access crash, boom, volatility, I can access whatever I want. But for example, if I try to load another account, which is not going to load indeed, I press accept. Now MT5 is not receiving anything. So if I press here, I cannot see a thing. Why? Because this depends on the broker you are connected to. So if you are not connected to a broker that gives you a specific market, you are not going to receive that market. So you have to make sure that you are connected to the broker that you want and the broker that has the market that you are going to trade in. Okay, once that said, we are going to go to the second question, which is basically that she wants to load all the different data and she wants to test bots basically. So how do we test bots in MQ5? Check that here in view, you have one thing which is called strategy tester. You can press here, Control R, and basically down here, well, you will have this, you will press unique, and then, well, this is all in Spanish, but basically here you select the bot, here you select the market. So let me go back to my account in Deriv. Let me, double click here, accept, and check this out. For example, now I have Euro USD, 1 minute time frame. I'm going to test the last month, but you can change that. For example, custom period, and now I can come here and choose 10 years if I want. Whatever. Forward period, which is, I don't really know what it is. I'm going to be honest with you. These are delays. You have to take into account that whenever you try to open a buy or a sell, it takes a little bit of time because your computer has to connect to the server of the broker. And that takes usually time. But there's an option here that basically gives you the average time that your computer takes to send that operation. So here you can choose that average time. So it is more real. Then you can choose the ticks that you want to load. So for example, here we're going to choose the real ticks, only the real ones, not modified and given by MT5, so only the real ones. Then you can choose to see the profit in pips, whatever, your money, the leverage, and finally the optimization. I'm not going to show you the optimization in this video because that's a single topic. So here, for example, you can put the visual mode. For example, I can select that, and if I press start, you will have this screen, and basically now you are testing your bot, your strategy. So the other thing that she may want to know is basically how to download that data so that she can do whatever she wants. So if you press back here in the symbol icon, you have here one window which is ticks. So here in ticks, you can choose the market, you can choose all the ticks, and here, for example, I'm going to take all the ticks since today at 8 o'clock, and here 20 past 9. Yeah. So I press here to ask for that data. I already have that, which are only 149 ticks. And now what I can do is that I can press export and I can save that data in a .csv, which is basically something very similar to an Excel. Well, it's not very similar to an Excel. Yeah, I'm not going to say it's very similar to an Excel because it is just data separated by a comma or by something else. But you can use that in an Excel. So yeah, guys, it was that. I know it's been a crazy time since I upload a video in the English channel, but no one was watching that video, those videos, so that's why I stopped. But yeah, I will try to come back. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, give it a like, share, subscribe, and we see each other in the next one.